Hi everyone, I am Philip from Profile Tree and welcome to another video tutorial on how to create your website using Wix. So in last video we learned how to adjust the website colors to your logo colors. So let's say that today you want to change the font of your text in your website, because you think that none of these predefined fonts adapt to your website and you really wanted to use that font that you saw online or in a movie or anywhere else. And the first thing you have to do is download your font, the font that you want to use, and then you'll have to come to this button on the left side that says My Uploads right here. You click on it and then it says Fonts. You click on that button as well. And right now you don't have any fonts in here, so you will click on Upload Font right here, and then you will look for the font in your folder, in whichever folder you saved it, and then you will click on Open, and then you wait until the font is uploaded. Once your font is uploaded, you will click on the button Done. So now your font is on the website files, so you can find it whenever you try to change the font of any text in your website. All you have to do is come right here to the top of the fonts where it says My Fonts, and in here you can find all the fonts that you upload to the site right on this tab right here. So if you want to upload more fonts, you can upload as many fonts as you want, and it's that simple. I will make more videos explaining more things, but for today this is it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.